I need to replace a C breaker in a Challenger panel. These is no label/marking on the C breaker, but the regular breakers have Challenger Type C120 printed on them. What C will fit the Challenger panel?
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be happy to assist you with your electrical question. 1. Eaton Cutler-Hammer Type BR breakers are allowed to be installed in a Challenger panel board. 2. Is the GFCI breaker a single or a double pole type? Also, how many amps?
Single pole and 20 amps.
Thanks for confirming. 1. See link shown below where Eaton Cutler-Hammer breakers will fit inside a Challenger panel. The Challenger brand is long gone and Eaton is now the owner of the Challenger designs. http://www.eatonanewsletterbuilder.com/upload/201204130152006 Vintage Load Center Sales Aid.pdf2, shown in the link below, is a 20 amp single pole GFCI breaker, Type BR, manufactured by Eaton. http://www.eatonanewsletterbuilder.com/upload/201204130152006 Vintage Load Center Sales Aid.pdf. Hope this helps. If you have any additional questions, just let me know and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Otherwise, don't forget to rate me before you log off. Thanks. Kevin. Here is the link sold at Home Depot, http://www.homadepot.com/p/Eaton Type BR 20 amp single pole ground fault circuit breaker GFCB 120CS/100169701. Thank you for the positive service rating. Much appreciated. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Take care and have a great evening. Thanks again. Kevin.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.